to study about the new topic, that is sex determination. So till now we have studied about the chromosomes and also the genes. So it's just a curiosity how the sex of the fetus can be determined in the womb itself, right? So a scientist called Henking, or he's a genetist who was working on insects, he got to know about the chromosomes. So we will be having a thoughts like, no, it is due to the mother's variation, the baby which will get born either maybe male or the female. But no, it's actually which is found out by a scientist called Henking. So what he did is, he was working on insects and he noticed the chromosomes. We know, for example, in case of the human beings, we have 23 pairs of chromosomes, right? In the sense 46 chromosomes, where the above 22 pair are autosomes, means they are the somatic chromosomes, and remaining one pair they are called as the allosomes. In the sense, those one pair are the sex chromosomes. They are the chromosomes which inherit or determine the sex character of the baby from the parents to the baby. So that's why this Henking, what this Henking did, he, when working on the insects, he noticed a body like maybe any structure like this or anything, okay? So he called these bodies as the X body, okay? Think this any insect, it may be having the 11 pair of chromosomes, okay? In that way, the 10 pair of chromosomes, they will resemble the what? Another. For example, we have learned the skin color, hair, height, dwarf, right? These all are the characters which come under the autosomes, okay? So where these 10 pair of chromosomes regulate on the autosomes, where the last, that is the one pair which regulates or operates on the what? They are called as the sex chromosomes, okay? Or also they are called as the allosomes, right? So it is also same in case of human beings, where we have the 23 pair of chromosomes, right? In that, where the first 22 pairs, they will act on the autosomes or the somatic cells, where the last 23rd pair which acts on the sexual character of the organism, where in case of the human being. Got? So this is how the Henking worked, and he got the what? That is sex chromosomes, X body. Hence we call the sex chromosomes as XX and XY in case of humans. So in case of humans, where female will be having XX chromosomes as sex, where in case of male, where male will be having the 2 chromosomes, that is the X and Y. Got? So now let's learn about the sex determination in humans, how the sex can be determined in case of the human beings. So we human beings will be having the XX and XY type of chromosomes. Okay, just leave those autosomes or the somatic characteristics. Now we'll only talk about the sex chromosomes. So in case of humans, see, a male, you can take a female, where female will be having the chromosomes XX, okay, where sex chromosomes, okay. In her 23 pair of chromosomes, a single pair will be having the XX chromosomes, okay. Where in case of male will be having the 2 chromosomes, that is X and Y. chromosome. But in case of male, male will be having the X and also the Y chromosome. Okay. So now let's form the gametes. We know to do gametes, right? So from here we'll get X and X. Okay. Right? And in case of male, we'll get the X and Y. So these are the gametes. You can notice that where in case of female, we will get this similar gamete, that is X, right? So it is called as the homogamete. Homogamete. Because these gametes are same, right? But in case of male, the male is got two gametes, that is X and Y. Hence we call it as heterogamete. Got? Is this clear? You have to learn about this homogamete and heterogametes, because where in case of homogamete, the gamete which produced will be same. Where in case of heterogamete, the gametes will be produced different. Means here you can see here two different gametes are found from the male. So now let's see how the fertilization or how the fusion will take place between these gametes, right? So let's put the Punnett square where the male is X and Y, the female is X and X. So let's cross it. X, 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 here X, Y, and here X, Y. So can you see here? So half of them, or the two females are produced and two males are produced. Where XX in the sense they are females. Okay? Where XY is, that is male. So we can conclude that the 50% the chances will be of the production of female, and again the another 50% will be the production of male. So here we can say that whenever or the whatever condition it may be, when the X chromosome which will be the permanent, there will be no change in case of X chromosome. The only thing where the chances are there, that is in case of male, because the male will be having the two chromosomes, that is X and Y. So with this we can say that if X and X chromosome gets fuses, then they will produce the female. Suppose if the X and Y chromosomes are produced or fused, then they will produce the male. So this is how we can say that we can determine the sex of any organism based on their chromosomes, right? So in case of females, the females will be having the same chromosome, right? So she cannot do anything in case of the boy baby or girl baby, right? It all depends on the male chromosome. Suppose if male chromosome or the male sperm carries the X chromosome, then there will be the chances of female baby. If suppose the sperm carries Y, then there will be the production of the male baby. So is this clear? So by using the chromosomes, we can determine the sex of the organisms, especially in case of humans. Got? So XX and XY type of chromosome, right? So this can be seen in case of humans and also in case of Drosophila. So we have learned about the Drosophila, which is also called as the fruit fly, right? So it is all the same thing. Where Drosophila female will be having the XX and the Drosophila male will be having the XY. So it is the same scenario. So it is called as the XX and XY type of sex determination. So is this clear? So the Drosophila and humans, they are homogametes, where in case of female, where in case of male, both the humans and also the Drosophila males, they are heterogametes. Got? Because the male will be carrying the XY chromosome and female will be carrying the XX chromosome. So is this clear? That's good. So in the next video, let me come up with the how the sex determination can be done in many more organisms. So till that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.